Luke, what were you saying?
About as a scenario, as in if we're selling for Freedom Network and the prospect is only after a job and nothing else.
Totally. Totally. That's everyone's goal. We all want a job, right? Like it's like when you go to a technical trade school, you want that job. So Andrew, so you ever heard of a guy named Mike Barron? Mike, they call him Mike B. Not if not, he's one of the high ticket gurus out here, and that's where Andrew started last year. And there's a lot of people where so Mike's thing is it takes you either go through a course, and it's like a 2 month course, it feels like sometimes. And like you hopefully get certified if they have all the drill sessions on time and opened up and all things like that, right? And if they're in a good mood, they'll pass you. And then hopefully you'll get placed with one of the cool partners that they have. It's usually three at a time or something like that. And at the end of the day, they don't ever get placed. And Andrew saw so much of that. And Andrew started with Mike in January last year. And, he was there for a year and he collected $1 million in 9 months, made it all the way up to sales director. He didn't even go through Mike's course. I don't even think he watched it to this day. You can ask him that question if you make it this far. But so that's why he started this. And, he started it a couple months ago, but he wanted to give people an actual chance to not only make money with this skill set while they learn it, but then mentor them to master it like he did. The motherfucker went to Greece for a month and he collected $40,000 in the matter of 8 hours of total work from his phone in a different country. And he just wants to teach us that. So if you want a job, he has this thing called an in-action training program, which is pretty fucking dope. He vets you on this first one-on-one, and then he actually gives you a job while you learn this skill. And then he mentors you twice a month. And he has his workbook. It's like a dreams to reality 50K in life mastery workbook. It's fucking dope. Tracking your habits, helping you save money. I mean, shit, there's even a monthly gratitude thing in there. And then he gets with me twice a month and actually breaks down a demo or a phone call or something that I need to get better at my craft. So if you're looking for a job, I get it, man. I think McDonald's is hiring. I think the McDonald's manager was just on our last demo. I think I can give you his number if you want. But if you're looking to master a skill set, get placed in a position where you can monetize that skill set, get better all at the same time, and eventually be fucking free, then I'll tell you, man, you get on the right Zoom. So anyway, what type of job did you want?
I'm just looking for a closer
Totally.
role.
I just fucking changed the tone, you know? Or I would say something like this. It's so serious at that point. You guys were like, holy shit. Or I would say something like, but he's a knucklehead, I promise you. So and and it just loosens it all up. People are easy. Take them for a ride on their emotions.